Ola recently launched its much anticipated keyless electric scooter. While electric vehicles have been around for a while in India, picking up slowly, Ola's S1 and S1 Pro are touted to be a game changer. So much so that Ola received a record breaking 1 lakh bookings within the first 24 hours, making it the most pre booked scooter in the world. So, should you consider buying it? Here are 10 things you need to know before you make a decision.
Welcome to Shiviewer.
First up is that it's a true smart scooter.
Hey Ola, play my favorite song.
Engineered to be the future of electric mobility, its features look promising. Start with innovations like proximity lock and unlock, mood based sound,
Hey Ola, play my riding playlist.
voice assistant, built in speakers, location tracking, cruise control, anti theft alerts, voice calling, charging station navigation, and SOS alerts. The scooter is provided with a 7-inch touchscreen display powered by Google Android with 4G internet, Wi Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity. Second is the design. Ola electric scooter will have two variants, S1 and S1 Pro, which will be available in 10 colors in gloss and matte finish. The banana shaped battery in the front allows it to look sleek. It comes with a large boot space to accommodate a week full of groceries or two large helmets. The pillion rider seat provides comfortable seating and a safety grip. It's pretty compact. Number 3. Performance and range. Scooter is powered by hyperdrive motor, which produces a peak power output of 8.5 kilowatts. This is significantly more than the 6 kilowatt of peak power some of the competing vehicles have. Base variant S1 is said to have a top speed of 90 km per hour and a range of 121 km on a complete charge, while the Ola S1 Pro variant can travel up to 181 km on a single charge and will have a top speed of 115 km per hour. So if you plan to commute to work, which is 20 to 30 kilometers from your house, you will only need to charge it once in 2 days. In terms of initial acceleration, Ola claims that the S1 can go from 0 to 40 kilometers per hour speed in 3.6 seconds, while the S1 Pro can achieve the same in 3 seconds. Fourth point is the charging infrastructure. With the Ola scooter, you get 3 charging methods. First up, there's the conventional home charger that will be provided with the scooter. It requires no additional installation. Customers can simply plug it into a regular 5A wall socket overnight for a complete charge. If you live in an apartment complex or a housing society, you might require additional power connections and customized wiring in your parking lot. Ola S1 can be fully charged at home in about 4 hours 48 minutes. If you charge it at Ola's fast charging stations, it can attain 50% charging in 18 minutes. Ola S1 Pro home charging will take roughly about 6.5 hours. The fast charging time remains the same. In 18 minutes of fast charging, the Ola scooters will give a range of 75 kilometers. Ola plans to set up 1 lakh charging stations in the next 5 years. Now the question remains, can we find enough charging stations around us? That's something Ola needs to address quickly. The fifth point is pricing. Priced aggressively, the ex-showroom launch price for S1 is 1 lakh rupees, and for S1 Pro it is 1,30,000. Additionally, state-wise subsidies make this deal a whole lot sweeter. For example, in Gujarat, the Ola S1 will cost 20,000 rupees cheaper. Currently, you can reserve your electric scooter for a fully refundable 499 rupees on their website. Purchases will start in September with deliveries commencing in October in over 1,000 cities. The scooter will be delivered right to your doorstep. Comparing this with the recently launched Simple One, which is priced at about 1,10,000 rupees, and other existing electric scooter models like TVS iQube, which is priced at about 1,01,000, and Ethers 450 Plus, which is priced at 1,18,000 ex-showroom. We will be comparing some of these electric scooters soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel now. Sixth point is the running cost. Running costs may vary according to where you live and how you use the scooter. ranging anywhere between 10 rupees to 20 rupees for 100 kilometers. Now, in the long term, running costs when compared to fuel bikes is certainly lower as the petrol prices keep increasing every year while electricity costs are fairly stable in our country. 7th point is maintenance. As is with all electric vehicles, maintenance is relatively low because there are not many moving parts, just the battery, motor, and display. On the outside, you will need to spend on the air and some wear and tear of the brake pads. Ola scooters also have AI driven predictive maintenance, which alerts you when a service is needed. And if a part needs replacement, it places an order with the Ola Future Factory. You can further cut down service costs with the Ola Care subscription package. Can you wash your scooter with water? What about rains? Well, Ola claims it is waterproof and shatterproof. Ola also claims that the scooter is built for flooded as well as damaged roads. Is it shockproof? Well, at this point of time, there's no data shared by Ola. Let's wait and watch. 8th point is battery life. Both Ola S1 and S1 Pro come with a fixed battery. And in the government FAME 2 subsidy, companies building electric vehicles have to provide 3 years warranty for the battery. While Ola is yet to reveal more details on the battery life, with the government pushing so many incentives, mass production of batteries being carried out in India will make it more affordable in the coming years. 9th point is test ride. I will always recommend to take a test ride before you buy. Ola has said that they will begin test ride from October 2021. You'll be able to book and enjoy a test ride through the Ola Electric app. Additionally, Ola is expected to open experience centers for potential buyers to check the e-scooter out in person and take it out for a test ride. 10th point is after-sales support. This is an extremely important point to consider and a question mark at the moment as the company intends to give remote service support to customers. Due to their direct-to-customer sales model and not through dealer networks, the assumption is that there will be relatively lesser after-sales service issues. Instead of having customers schedule an appointment and then drop the scooter off at the service station to pick it up again later, Ola is likely to simplify this by arranging for service staff to visit a customer at their residence and carry out maintenance work that may be needed. Ola is certainly redefining benchmarks. The scooter looks cool with some revolutionary specs. Come October, we will get more details on the battery warranty, frequency of charging stations, and test the actual ride on ground. So hit that like button and subscribe button to stay updated. Till then, I'll see you in my next video.